Each of us needs an efficient way to organize tasks, notes, and ideas, whether it's for work or personal life.
That's why we created simple stickers.
It combines the simplicity of sticky notes with the practicality of the Kanban system. Plus, with the support of an AI assistant for efficient and fast work. And most importantly, it works great on mobile devices too. You always have your tasks and notes with you. We wanted to design a tool that works for you, not the other way around.
Simple Stickers is your personal organizer for everyday work.
Let's now show the key features of the application. We can log in either through email and password or using a Google account. After the first login, we create a new project where we want to create tasks. We call these sticky notes. These can be entered immediately through the input field. Or if we want, we can use the AI assistant service. We select from the suggestions those that suit us. Subsequently, we can add more tasks as needed at any time. We then arrange these in the order that suits us using the drag and drop function. To make the illusion of real sticky notes perfect, we can use different background colors to categorize tasks. This way, we get a list of all future tasks we will be working on. Tasks we want to address within today or the next few days, we move to the Kanban column in progress. Here, we can mark those with the highest priority or rearrange the order in which we will gradually address them. Each sticky note has the option to add a note with an integrated editor. And yes, the AI assistant is also available here, where we can ask anything. The editor supports rich text formatting for efficient editing, including inserting external links that will be easily accessible. Here you can easily organize all external services you use. You can write these links wherever you need quick navigation on the internet or to your cloud folders. If you have milestones you want to note down, create them the same way as a regular task. The application supports additional columns, such as Review, which we activate. We can move our milestones to this column. Each sticky note supports date entry. This feature now comes in handy, and we assign dates to milestones. Distant milestones always have a green background. If the date is tomorrow, the milestone will be orange, and today's or earlier date already shows red. This helps us immediately identify approaching deadlines. We usually remember the nearest milestone, so we can hide them and check any time as needed. Similarly, we can work with the testing column, where we can move all tasks where we need to test something. We don't have to display this column constantly either to keep the workflow clear. We add another task we want to work on. Again, we use the internal note editor and integrated AI. If we don't understand something from the AI-generated points, nothing is easier than asking again in the same editor for what we need. Completed subtasks can also be easily marked with a green background, or we can cross them out. This way, one sticky note can contain countless other subtasks. The note size is not limited, and if it's longer, a scroll bar is automatically applied. And as we already mentioned, the application works great on mobile devices with all features. You can take your notes anywhere with you and continue working with them. Access is, as expected, simple and clear. But what if you want to address the same tasks in another project? Nothing is easier than saving them to a template for further use. Subsequently, we create a new project. We load tasks into the new project from the template. However, here we may encounter the first limitation of the free version. We have already used a total of 34 sticky notes. Those saved in the template are also counted, and so another 17 tasks won't fit into the new project within the limit. So if you want to use simple stickers to the fullest, and not just for one or two separate projects, activate the Pro version for a very advantageous subscription. annual subscription additionally with a 20% discount. This opens up practically unlimited use of sticky notes, use of the AI assistant, and unlimited number of templates or projects, sharing option, which we'll show later. After upgrading to the Pro version, we can now copy the template to a new project without problems, including all notes and links. Simple Stickers is a universal application, and we can use it, for example, as a shopping list for purchasing ingredients for goulash, which we have generated using the AI assistant. You have all your projects right in your pocket on your phone, whether you're at a regular meeting at work or just shopping in a store and deleting items you already have in your cart. As we already outlined, the Pro version offers sending a sticky note to a colleague, including your notes. Additionally, you can add a message as further instruction. You have the option to decide whether you want to keep a copy of the sent sticky note. Your colleagues only needs the free version to process the message and add the sticky note to one of their projects. You have the option to track whether your colleague accepted your sticky note, that is, added it to their project. If they start working on the task and move it to the In Progress column, you will also have this information available as an updated status in the overview of Sent Sticky Notes. If you don't need to track the status on the task, you just passed on the message, you can delete it from your overview. This has no effect on the sticky note at your colleague's end. Another situation may occur when you send a sticky note, but your colleague returns it. This way, the information in the notes is not lost even if they don't accept the task. You will then see it in received messages with information that the message returned to the sender. Subsequently, you add it back to your project and continue working with it at your discretion. Another situation that may occur is that you send a sticky note, but no one works with it. You might have entered the wrong email address or your colleague is out of the office. Then you have the option to take the message back. It may happen that you don't want to delegate the task, but just share the content of your notes with a colleague. Then you have the option to keep a copy as already mentioned, and the sticky note remains part of your project after sending.
In less than 10 minutes, we have shown you all the key features of Simple Stickers.
Get started today. The free version offers 50 sticky notes. Simple Stickers are designed for anyone who wants to keep their daily tasks under control. We believe that the price of one coffee per month will motivate you to unlock the full functionality and enjoy unlimited use not only at work, but also in your personal life. In addition, you will support us, independent developers, in our work and in creating ever better applications.
Thank you for using Simple Stickers.